During a public rally organized at Mirza Kathalia on Thursday, Maharaja Pradut Kishore Debarma interacted with journalists and stated, "Until and unless the implementation of the Tiprasa Accord is not provided in a written copy, I will not leave anyone a free hand. Why would I believe in someone who has not yet given an assurance in black and white paper written copy?" said the Bawagra. Ahead of the upcoming ADC election, the political influence and competition between the BJP and Tipromota have reached at the extreme height. Both parties have geared up conducting various public gatherings and party joining events across the state, each signifying themselves as superior contenders for the ADC election victory. On the other side, the opposition party CPIM is wondering and worried, witnessing the strength of both Tipromota and the BJP. The CPIM is not seen on the ground for election preparation, instead watching the power play of the ruling coalition parties. Meanwhile, on Thursday, the Tipromota dealt a major blow to the BJP as a total of 1,970 voters from Mirza Kathalia joined the Tipromota party, holding hands with Maharaja Pradut Kishore Debarma. Later, while interacting with journalists, Maharaja Pradut Kishore Debarma stated, "Until and unless the implementation of the Tiprasa Accord is not provided in a written copy, I will not leave anyone a free hand. Why would I believe in someone who has not yet given me assurance in black and white paper in written copy?"
You have seen it yourself. आपने खुद अपने आंखों से देखा होगा the response that we have from all the people here. और ये जो response आप देख रहे हैं, एक constituency में इतना लोग आना, मतलब कि ground support पूरे हमारे पास है. और जो लोग पैसे के बलबूते में with the power of money, with the power of administration, हमारे गरीब तिप्रासा को, इंडिजिनस लोगों को नीचे रखना चाहते हैं, उनको भी एक बात समझना चाहिए कि तिप्रासा का वोट एक है और हमारा हौसला भी एक है. वी हैव द एंटायर इमोशन विद द पीपल और आने वाले दिन में उनको जवाब मिल जाएगा.
Whom you expect this fight this time will be? Is it of communist?
We'll see. I think the fight is that Tipromota should continue to speak for the people and not against particularly any party, but continue to speak for the rights of the people, and then you'll get the results. But as far as I see, Congress is nowhere in the ground, and the Communist Party has gone into its own shell. So BJP is trying to make some noise, the local BJP unit, but they should very well understand that they just cannot expect people to vote for BJP without doing any work for the indigenous people, especially in Tripura.
Some of your leaders said that BJP came to power in the last assembly election only due to the Tipromota.
Yes, if we had probably restricted ourselves in fighting in 20 seats, probably BJP wouldn't have come. But that's in hindsight that we have realized. And in the next election, we will see why we should allow some other party to come through a back entry, because we should have actually, now in hindsight, we should not have contested more than 25 to 30 seats.
Sir, the date today in this public rally, it coincides with the CA. Your party has been very much against it.
My case is still in the Supreme Court. And while the government of India has clarified that CA will not be applicable in the 6 scheduled areas, the very meaning of 6 scheduled area where we have no land rights means that in Meghalaya 6 scheduled area, people cannot come in what do you call Assam, Bodoland, Karbi Anglong, Dimasa Hasao area, people can't enter. But in Tripura, because we don't have land rights in the 6 scheduled area, we cannot stop anyone because the power is not with us, it's with DM, and DM is under state government. So we want that power to be given to us, and CA, the fight for CA will continue till the government of India does not strengthen the 6 scheduled areas in Tripura.
So it's continuing still.
It's
here.
absolutely going to continue. That is a political right. Just because we have signed the Tiprasa Accord does not mean that we are going to let go of our political identity and our independent view on many issues.
It's high time that Tiprasa Accord, you said only 20 months are over. Time lapse was 6 months if I remember well. So do you think before this election the BJP...
No, you have to ask this question to them. I've made maybe 20-25 trips to Delhi. I've spoken to everyone. They all admit in private that it should be done. But publicly, until it's not done, why should I give anyone a free hand? Until it's not done in black and white, in writing, why should we trust anyone?
Is the local BJP against it?
I think the local BJP, I keep on talking to the Chief Minister. He comes across as a very well-meaning gentleman. But then there are some local leaders who are looking to get a ticket in the next election. So to get a ticket in the next election, they will make some noise because, see, to be very honest, ये लीडर लोग कुछ जीतने वाले नहीं हैं, लेकिन बीजेपी से पैसा लेकर थोड़ा सा पैसा कमाएंगे और इलेक्शन फाइट करेंगे. लेकिन जो लोग बीजेपी में राजनीति को समझते हैं, जो लोग पॉलिटिक्स को समझते हैं, उनको मालूम है कि हमारा क्या एक्चुअल पावर है ग्राउंड में, और उन लोग जो लोग पैसे के नाम में टिकट चाहिए उनको, उनका क्या पावर है, सब लोग जानते हैं.
The joining event also saw the presence of TTA, this is former CEO CK Jamatia, David Murasi, Rakesh Deborma and many others. Bureau Report, Chini Khurang.